Hey guys, Chantel Bachman with OneHydraulics here, back for another 1-minute lunch and learn, and today's topic is filtration. We'll be talking about 4 easy tips that you can follow to keep your systems clean and running. So they just dump the fluid straight from the drum into the reservoir. No filter card. No, that's not a good thing. Tip number 1, new oil is not clean oil. Before you fill your hydraulic system, you run all of your fluid through a filter cart before you contaminate your brand new system. Tip number 2, base your cleanliness requirements on your most sensitive piece of equipment. You need to look at the fluid cleanliness requirement for probably your pumps or your valves. If you have a piston pump, it's going to be more sensitive than a gear pump. And if you have a valve, most particularly a servo valve, it's going to be very sensitive to contamination. Tip number 3, start a maintenance schedule and regularly monitor your hydraulic fluid. And tip number 4, always keep your open port connections capped. That means any hose end connections that you might have or manifold port connections that are open, you always want to put a plastic plug in it like this, a steel plug, or at a bare minimum, put tape over the connections just to make sure that you're keeping any sort of dust or dirt ingression out of your system. Now, we do have a wide variety of portable and stationary filter carts available here at OneHydraulics.com. We also have a filter cart available for rent. If you just need to run a quick job and you don't want to actually own the filter cart, rent it by the day. I hope these tips were helpful, and we will have a link below for all of our offline filtration options available at OneHydraulics.com.